So with the sigma notation, so what you can see here is that it instructs you to add the first term all the way to the 80th term. So that means your n value will be 80. Okay. Now I do want to emphasize one thing, and which is that this number right here may or may not be 1. If it's 1, lovely. Okay, you just count from 1 all the way to 80, so you know the n value is 80. It might be 0. It might be, okay, which we'll see later on today. But it might be 0, and if it is 0, make sure you count the 0 as well. Okay, that's a little asterisk right there. So you know that's 80. Okay, so so again, I would like to help you visualize this as a little trapezoid. Okay, so so you have a little trapezoid right here. This is your 80. So A1, what's A1? We say A1, it's you put in the 1 into the n, which is going to be 5. And what's your A80? Well, you put in 80 into the n, so you have 242. Yes, 242. All right. So basically, you are finding out the trapezoid of the, well, this particular trapezoid. So you have S80, okay, indicating that you are finding the total of all the first 80 terms together. So that would be 80 divided by 2 times 242 plus 5. Okay, so that means you have 40 times 247, and you will use a calculator to find out what it is. All right, so 247 times 40, would that be 247 times 40? That's equal to 9880, 9,880, 9880. It's your total. Okay, so so if you add up all the 80 terms together, that's a big number right there, which makes sense, right? If you are adding 3 for each individual term, and you have so many terms that are together, yeah, it should be a big number. Should be a big number.